This is C&H Outdoors.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Charlie and Henry Outdoors. Charlie here, filming a video today, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of a different video, and it's going to be a one-wheel pint range test. So basically, we're going to be testing the range of the pint, but we're going to try to optimize everything so that the range is the best that we can get. So first of all, we have charged ours up. It's fresh off the charger. 99% battery is what it says on my phone. If you can see that, 99% battery. So 99% battery, and then also we've just inflated our tire pressure. Normally I like to keep my one wheel at around probably 13 psi, but I inflated it to about 17, 18, 19, 20, somewhere in that range. So yeah, we'll go ahead and we're gonna be riding on all smooth pavement. We're not gonna be riding anywhere near pushback, so probably about 13 is gonna be our max. And we're gonna ride till the one wheel dies. So yeah, and I'll go ahead and review after the first lap. Alrighty guys, so we just finished our first lap plus whatever it took for us to get to our actual destination, and so far we have 2.7 miles traveled and our battery is at 66%. So it's looking like we're gonna get about 8 miles of range. I don't know, it's really hard to tell at this point, but yeah, it's pretty cold outside, which could be affecting the battery quite a bit. I think that's the main factor. I've been keeping it at pretty low speeds, just doing some slight carving. So, I mean, I haven't been doing anything too aggressive or anything like that. So, I think the main thing that's gonna make me have a lot less range is the cold weather. Because I remember last summer when I was riding, I was getting 10, sometimes even 12. I'm pretty sure I got 11 miles range on one ride. So I think the cold weather shortens your battery life a lot, but we're still gonna try it out in cold weather. We're gonna finish this off, and I'll see you guys at the end of the next lap. Bye. Alrighty guys, here we are at the end of our second lap around the park. And here's our current statistics. We are at 5 miles ridden and our battery is at 41% currently. So I think I'm gonna probably be able to do one more lap, and then I'm just gonna head back to my house, and then I'll just ride down the street and back until the battery dies, because I don't really want to get stranded like a mile and a half from the house and have to walk with my one wheel all the way back. So I think I'll do one more lap, check in with you guys after that. Yeah, it's saying I still have 4 miles of range left, but what I've noticed is that when it's cold outside, a lot of times the battery just suddenly starts dropping really rapidly, but it doesn't seem to be happening too much because we only lost 25% battery on that last lap, so I don't think it's dropping too fast. Already though, after just this 1 minute of recording, we're down to 38%, so I think the battery will deplete pretty fast, but I think I should be able to make it one more lap and then back home, but I'll keep checking my battery so I make sure that I don't get stranded. But yeah, I'll see you guys then, and bye. Alrighty guys, we're nearing the end of the third lap. I've been checking my battery and it has been dropping a little bit faster just because of the cold weather. But here's our current standings. We are getting low. Our battery is only at 15% currently, but we have gone 7.2 miles so far, which is more than the advertised range on the one wheel pint, more than at least the average, because the advertised range is 6 to 8 miles. So 7.2 is more than the average range that is expected, and it's cold weather. So I'd say definitely doing pretty good on range. I'll go down to my house now and we'll max it out until it will not go any longer. So I will see you guys once we get to my house, and then I will give you the final report of when it dies. Alrighty guys, here we are. We are just reaching my house. It is pretty cold outside and the one wheel is getting pretty low. It is currently at only 9% battery, but we did make it home, which is good. So we're gonna just go ahead and ride down and back on this street until it runs out of batteries, and I will update you at the end. Right now we have 7.8 miles, so I'm hoping we can get to 8 miles before it dies, and I'll update you guys when the battery is at 0%. Alrighty Alrighty guys, here we are. We've done a couple laps back and forth on this street right here, and the battery is now at 3%. And I'm starting to feel a bit of a change. It definitely can't quite get up to the top speed as advertised. So it's giving me pushback at easily giving me, and I mean at this point it's really not even strong enough to give me pushback, so it's really quite dangerous. We're already down to 2%, so I'm just gonna record this last bit and we'll see exactly what happens when it gets down to 0. Alrighty guys, it just gave us the Onehweel needs juice. As you can see, we're just barely crawling along right here. It's like it will not go any faster than this. It's at 8.8 miles. I'm gonna see if I can maybe make it back to my house. It's going just so slow, just crawling along. The light indicator is at red right now. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. It's so low on batteries right now. So low. My house is right here though. We might be able to make it back to the house. 8.9 miles. We're just barely not gonna make it to 9 miles. We could try the turning it off and then turning it back on trick. We're still, I mean, we're just barely crawling. I mean, look at that angle, you guys. That is so crazy. Okay, we made it back to my house at 8.9 miles. It might have, oh, it does, guys. It has a bit more juice left in it. I have a feeling in about 10 seconds or so, though, it's gonna get back on the needs juice notification. But, yep, there it goes. It needs some more juice now. Already, light turned red. So we were able to get, I just wanna get that last 0.1 mile so that I can say that I rode 9 miles. That'd be really nice. I think even if we don't quite get to 0.1 miles, yes, I did it. 0.1 miles. So this 0.1 miles plus the other 8.9 miles actually makes 9 miles on the Onehweel. So to give you the final stuff, we were able to ride with all of our battery. It is completely dead right now. It's like, I mean, completely dead. We were able to ride 9 miles exactly. If you add up our 0.1 and our 8.9 mile rides, we stayed at speeds around 12 to 14, around 13 miles per hour, just in that range. Really cold outside, also probably about 35 degrees right now, so pretty cold. I know I was cold, and the Onehweel, I guarantee if I would have had warmer weather, that would have easily gotten me at least a couple more miles. So I think I could have gotten to 11 or 12 in warmer weather, but 9 is still definitely very, very cool that I was able to get that much. So if you guys enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you want me to try this again in the summer during warmer weather, or maybe in the spring, just when it's warmer. So yeah, that's gonna be all for today's video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.